The Android Oreo comes with the PIP mode, and here is how you can get it on your Android phone without Oreo. But before that, please make sure to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to install one app called Floating Apps. You can download it directly from the Play Store, or I have given the direct links in the description. At the starting, you have to grant the permissions required for this app. There are about 41 apps which you can use as PIP mode. It has most of the social media apps and small games also. Now exit the app and you will see one floating icon at the top of the screen. You can move that icon anywhere you want. Now click on that icon and you can access the apps which you want to use in PIP mode. It will open the app in a small window which you can move anywhere on the screen. You can also adjust the size of the window according to your need. You can open as many apps you want. For example, I will open 4 to 5 apps. It comes with lots of customization options. You can change the color of the window, you can adjust the size, and can do many things. You can use these apps while using other apps also. For example, if you are chatting with someone and you want to search for something, you can open the browser in Floating app and you don't need to close the chat window. You can do both the tasks at the same time. There are lots of other options also available in this app. You can adjust the opacity of the window. You can minimize it, maximize it, and do lots of things with it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share it, and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. My name is Tushar and I will see you in the next one. Till then, be happy and do something constructive.